Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you meet the baseline, 1,095 days physical presence in Canada. Once you verify that, collect proof, passports, PR card, tax returns, and 2 ID photos, and complete required identity pages. Next, pay the CAD $630 processing fee and download the correct application package for your age group. Make sure forms are current. This immediate work saves time later, so start assembling scanned copies and originals now, and organize documents by date to speed the submission. Now complete the forms carefully, print legibly, sign and date every required field, and avoid blanks that could trigger delays. Once done, attach language proof if applicable, aim for CLB level 4 or higher, and include any national ID documentation they request. Then submit the package and immediately book biometrics when prompted. These appointments can take weeks. Make sure to keep originals accessible for interview or verification. Finally, prepare for the test by reviewing topics repeatedly so you're confident on exam day. You attend the test or interview with originals and your confirmation notice. Answer clearly, and if asked, explain gaps in residency. Once approved, you'll be invited to the citizenship ceremony, take the oath, and receive your certificate. If anything goes wrong, request a written explanation of refusal promptly, because you can file an appeal or reapply after fixing issues. Keep copies of all correspondence and receipts. They're crucial when resolving discrepancies or proving corrected residency, tax, or identity records to expedite a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.